Capital Report.
Na may ga-schedule nga Ella at dito sa may Cebu City.
Yes, executive legislative agenda may patawag na usana sa gikuan sa atong governor karon. So we are of course as part of the executive and legislative kinanglan pod ang naagid ang legislative. Myself, I'll be attending on Wednesday afternoon na kay tomorrow na po ko usa sa pinaka-importante nako nga gimbuhaton at it was already scheduled previously, so lisod po kayo nga dinako adtuon. And Tuesday afternoon mo attend ako dito sa Ella, naanak ko dito, and hopefully we will come up good plans based on the our new governor kung unsa iyahang direktiba. I hope we will meet and we have harmonious what you call this one executive legislative agenda nga anyway ang amo ato ara pod ani is for the betterment of the entire Negros. So we will cooperate whatever gikinahanglan para sa ato ang katawhan.
Okay.
Aksyon Balita.
Membro sa provincial board mo adto sa Ella.
Yes, they are all committed to attend. Actually, one of the board members, si BM June, wala. But maybe he has the invitation. I believe na to siya invitation. And today, all the board members who are present today is also committed to attend tomorrow until Thursday.
Okay, so sa ibanta kaniadto sa kaniya Gobernador Teves doon na i-approve ninyong budget sa Ella dito sa
Yes.
Iloilo at sa Occidental.
Sa Bacolod to, sa Bacolod.
Nini nga panahon ni Governor Digamo, pila po inyong i-approve?
Naman na siya i-propose nga directive. So whatever the needed appropriation or any proposal niya, then the entire probinsya iya mo nang i-craft kung unsa iyahang buhaton within 3 years. So within 3 years aton tan-awon og unsa iyahang executive agenda that should be aligned with the legislative and then needed to support in the legislative. So as to the appropriation or the amount, wala pa ko'y idea kay because siya man na ang i-present na niya during the executive legislative agenda.
Aksyon Balita. Aksyon